First, we have the exterior. As you can see, I have added frames on the windows and some fake rooms with windows on the roof, as it makes it look larger and more detailed. Next, we have the interior. In here, I have not done too much renovation, apart from the flooring and the walls. Also, as you can see, I added a new couch, as well as blinds throughout the house. Inside of this garage, I added a punching bag and another new floor. Oh, and don't forget a moped. I did not do very many changes in this children's bedroom, apart from new floor and wall texture, and a photograph on the wall. This is the bathroom. I did absolutely no change apart from the floor. And here is the master bedroom. I added a television, an armchair, and a laptop in front of the armchair to keep it realistic and warm. Remember, drop a like and a subscribe if you enjoy my content. In this small hallway, I added a tile flooring. This is the backyard. I did not decorate it very much as I didn't expect to be keeping this house, but I now changed my mind. Here we have the kitchen. I upgraded the oven, stove and the sink with the Transform Plus tool, but you do not need to use that in order to keep it nice. I kept the large hood because it keeps the aesthetic of the house. As you can see, all of the curtains and blinds are interactive. Here we have the dining area, with more blinds. And here we have a quick second look at the exterior. Overall, I think this build went well. The overall cost or worth of this house went from about $100K to $140,000.